Pao tukeni riwruok mar FKF bade ma Nairobi West oketo koke winjruok gi kambi mar Luton mabiro siroge yore mag chiwo thieth ne timbe duto mawuok Nairobi West. Kaluwore gi jakom FKF Hussein Mohamed, chenro makama en okang' maber mabiro jiwo sekta mar adhula e thurka. Jakom mar FKF bade ma Nairobi West Rama Omondi owacho ni winjruok makamae duoko geno maduong' ne jotugo koduoko erokamano ne Luton kuom konya makamano.
Luton Hospital, as the official medical partner, will provide medical assistance and services in all Nairobi West competitions, not leagues, but competitions. And by competition, I mean our end-of-year playoffs, our Champions League for the Youth League.
It is important that sportsmen and women, our sector, our industry, appreciates the benefit of sports medicine. The ecosystem of football is quite diverse and very large. Within sports medicine, you've got nutritionists, you've got physiotherapists, and you've got so much more that we require as a country and as a federation in terms of progressing the game. So this today is a significant step. Today is quite significant, and the reason it is so important is that it is the foundation of bigger, better things to come.